spokespersons for the party in Jammu and Kashmir. Senior Congress leader Ravindra Sharma said that any individual who believes in the ideology of the Congress can apply till the 10th of December. He added that selected candidates will be officially appointed as spokespersons of the party, but the move has triggered a sharp political response from the BJP. The BJP has mocked the talent hunt, calling it a sign of Congress's internal crisis and leadership vacuum. BJP leader Ravindra Rana said talent hunts are for singing and dancing, not for a national party struggling to find voices. BJP claims the exercise reflects a serious shortage of cadre and communication strength inside Congress. It also says that the party is forced to hunt for talent because leaders are leaving, not joining.
10 दिसंबर तक कोई भी आदमी जो कांग्रेस की विचारधारा के साथ जुड़ा है, कोई भी युवा, कोई भी यंग डायनामिक स्पिरिटेड आदमी, जिला स्तर से लेके जम्मू कश्मीर पीसीसी में या राष्ट्रीय स्तर तक जो है इसकी सिलेक्शन होगी टैलेंट हंट में। जो लोग ऑनलाइन अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं स्पोक्स पर्सन बनने के लिए, मीडिया के साथ जुड़ने के लिए, चर्चा में हिस्सा लेने के लिए ओपन न्योता है।
कांग्रेस टैलेंट हंट करके अगर अपने प्रवक्ता चुनेगी तो आपको खुद ही सोचना चाहिए कि कितना बड़ा लीडरशिप क्राइसिस और कितना बड़ा आइडियोलॉजिकल क्राइसिस कांग्रेस में है, जो कि टैलेंट हंट करके अपने नेताओं को ढूंढ रहे हैं। ये कोई रियलिटी शो नहीं है। अगर वहां भी टैलेंट हंट करके नौजवानों को ढूंढने की कांग्रेस कोशिश कर रही है तो इसका साफ संदेश है कि कांग्रेस इस वक्त पूरे देश से लुप्त होने के कगार पर है।
Let's go across to Ankit, who's been tracking this story very, very closely. Ankit, BJP says this reflects and suggests that there's not just a leadership crisis, but ideology crisis as well within the Congress party. Now the Granville party has to conduct a talent hunt to figure out who their spokespersons can be.
Yes, absolutely. The Congress is going to organize a talent hunt. The last date of the form is on the 10th of the December. What we are picking up is the Congress is going to organize a talent hunt. This exercise is being done by the Congress party on the district level, booth level. They have an online form. They have told that within the Congress party who have the same ideology of the Congress, they can fill up the form. Or 10th December is the last date of this form, and then there will be whosoever will be selected, there will be a panel discussion over it. But BJP has clearly mocked the Congress party, saying that there is a crisis within the Congress and the lack of leadership in the Congress. That's why they are organizing such events for the new spokesperson in the Congress.
Right, Ankit, but how is the Congress party responding on this criticism? Before we come to that, let's listen into more reactions coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
कांग्रेस पार्टी टैलेंट हंट कर रही है नए स्पोक्सपर्सन्स को तलाशने के लिए अपनी ही पार्टी में। मतलब कि कांग्रेस इतनी टैलेंटलेस हो चुकी है कि अब उसको टैलेंट हंट करना पड़ रहा है। पहले तो सवाल ये होना चाहिए कि जिसमें कोई टैलेंट नहीं है, मतलब राहुल गांधी जो 95 इलेक्शंस हराते हैं, उनको क्यों रखा हुआ है नेता के रूप में? जब तक वो रहेंगे केवल परिवार और सरनेम के आधार पर, तो कांग्रेस में टैलेंट कैसे आगे बढ़ेगा? और कांग्रेस टैलेंट रिटेन तो कर नहीं पाती।
Let's go back to Ankit, who continues to be with us on the broadcast. Ankit, how is the Congress party responding? BJP is criticizing the move, saying this is, a reflection of how non-serious the Congress is. How is Congress justifying the move?
Congress is clearly saying that we are a democratic party. Everyone has a right to question, right to have an answer within the Congress party. That's why we are organizing this such talent, so that more and more like-minded youths can join the Congress. But this is the first move which we are seeing in the Jammu and Kashmir. Such talent hunt are being organized by the Congress in Jammu and Kashmir. This is totally an online form which is being filled up by the which is being filled up by the youth, which Congress is saying they can, with the same ideology of the Congress. Whosoever has the talent with it, they can fill a form till 10th of December. What Congress party is saying that is that we are going to organize a talent hunt. Whosoever will be selected with the form, there will be a panel discussion. But BJP mocks it. They are saying that we have seen many talent hunts like dance competitions, like singing competitions, or any other talents. But this is the first type of talent hunt which is which we are going to see, and BJP also reacts that what we are seeing in the Karnataka politics. The main thing is they have to have a talent hunt on the top leadership also. They should conduct a talent hunt of the top leadership also.
All right, Ankit, stay on with us. In fact, we have a reaction coming in from Rajendra Pal Gautam of the Congress. Let's listen in.
बीजेपी की स्टेटमेंट बेहद शर्मनाक है। ये तो खुशी की बात है कि कोई पार्टी यूथ के टैलेंट को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए उनको अवसर दे रही है। कांग्रेस के पास प्रवक्ताओं की कोई कमी नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी जो यूथ जिनका अप्रोच नहीं है पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के अंदर, उनको एक मौका देना क्या गलत है? अगर ऐसी सोच भारतीय जनता पार्टी की, तो शर्मनाक है।
It continues to be with us on the broadcast. Ankit, Congress leaders are hailing the move, the decision to conduct a talent hunt to figure out who their spokespersons can be. They say, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, that we are giving an opportunity to the yuva, to the youth.
Yes, exactly. The Congress is clearly saying that we are giving a chance to the youth who have no approach within the party. They can fill a form online till 10th of December. What Congress is saying, they are saying that whosoever have an ideology of the Congress, like-minded youth can fill up the form. But BJP is totally mocking this talent hunt. They are saying there is a total crisis in the Congress. They have limited.
Okay, Ankit, stay on with that. We have Sat Sharma of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us in the broadcast. What is your take on the Congress party's talent hunt to figure out who their spokespersons can be? Congress is saying that we're giving an opportunity to the yuva.
देखिए, यहाँ तक प्रश्न कांग्रेस का है। कांग्रेस कभी भी कार्डर बेस्ड पार्टी नहीं रही। हमेशा से उन्होंने, और खासतौर पर वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जिसने कभी देश के हित को प्राथमिकता नहीं दी, उनके पुराने नेता देख लीजिए, क्यों कार्डर उनके साथ जुड़ेगा? आज जरूरत उनको इसलिए पड़ी है कि किसी समय 400 से भी ऊपर लोकसभा की सीट लेने वाली पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आज हाशिए के ऊपर खड़ी है। इसलिए आज वो देखती है कि जब 15 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्राइमरी मेंबर्स हैं, उससे अलग वोटर्स हैं, सिंपथाइजर्स हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के, तो शायद उनको लगता है कि वो कमी रही है। लेकिन मानकर चलिए कि ये कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ, चाहे वो टैलेंट हंट करके हो, चाहे वो किसी भी तरीके से हो, कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा कि इंडियन कांग्रेस के साथ, पार्टी के साथ लोग जो हैं वो जुड़े। आज टैलेंट हंट करने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी है? कारण ये है कि इन्होंने कभी कार्यकर्ता के बारे में नहीं सोचा। कार्यकर्ता को लेकर अगर कोई चलने वाली पार्टी, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, तो वो सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी है और कोई नहीं है।
All right, Sat Sharma ji, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए. That was BJP leader who said Congress was ever a cadre-based party. Now it's a very non-serious approach or move of the Congress party to organize a talent hunt. There are three visuals on your screens. There's crisis that has hit the Congress unit in Karnataka. In Bihar, the leaders trying to highlight lack of coordination, tickets being given to outsiders, the problems within the Congress party that led to loss, where Rahul Gandhi says all should take responsibility. And then you have the Congress party organizing a talent hunt in Jammu and Kashmir to appoint their spokespersons. Ankit, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this big story.